Hey guys, this is Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. We had taken a four-wheeler in to kind of get it fixed. It's a newer four-wheeler, but it just wasn't working. And so after probably a month and a half or so, it's fixed, and so we're gonna go pick it up. So won't you come farming with us? So first off, Joseph's getting the ramps in the pickup, so I want to show you guys something. Our garden still isn't all the way weeded. We finally have green beans. You see that one? Woohoo! So we've been picking a little bit. Oh, I missed those. I came out here. They're not like super big, so I didn't get the little ones, but if any of you guys struggle with these beetles, let me know, because these things always are attracted to our beans, and they don't really like make them die, but don't do anything good for them. So I wanted to show you guys our hay. It's now been rained on twice, which thank you Lord for the rain. Helps our crops, but I think we were really banking on this third cutting to give us the most bales. And I'm sure it still will, but as you can see, the leaves and everything is just kind of like mush. So not sure that there'll be a ton of great quality to the bales, but as you can also tell, the next round of alfalfa is growing, so the rain will help that. Our corn looks great, actually. It looks really good for not having any rain for 2 months at least. But so we're kind of just on the edge with this hay. We'll bale it. We'll rake it and bale it, and I'm sure it'll make lots of bales, but we'll see how well our animals actually like it. And I know one of you guys said feed your bales that have been rained on first, and so maybe we will do that. Okay, so what was wrong with the formula?
So it was
Okay, Sterling, can you?
So it was starting hard, and it didn't want to keep running. Like if you would accelerate too quickly, it would die. It acted like it was running out of fuel or something. I don't know. So I thought it was something with the fuel, but they looked at it and diagnosed a bunch of different stuff, and then they decided that it was something with the ignition system. So something at a connector or something, some wires were corroded or broken or something. So they ended up fixing that. And they actually had to put a battery in it because my battery was old. I had to jump start it to get it there. Loaded on the trailer.
Daddy. You get it up there?
Yeah. Body.
Want me to look at it? Good as new. Even washed it for you.
Look at that rainbow.
Oh.